Welcome students. Continuing with our ongoing chapter, we are on the first exercise of it, and with the same question, the heading remains same. Simplify. Simplify means we have to compress out the question, compress out the given question, and solve it to get a numerical answer. Okay. So here I can see 3 raised to 5, 3 upon 5, sorry, the whole cube divided by 3 upon 5, the whole square. Okay. And here I have raised to 3. There are various ways, there are various methods. This 3 is after the bracket, right? So this 3 will go as the power of this 3 as well as this 5. Can you see this arrow, this marks over here? This 3 will become, this power 3 will become, this will act as a power for both 3 as well as 5. This can be written as 3 raised to 3 upon 5 raised to 3. Okay, this division symbol I'll copy as this is divided. Okay, now see here please everyone, this 3 upon 5 as it is I'm copying this, and there's a bracket here. First I have a power 2, then a bracket, and then I have a power 3. Brackets, no matter it is a curly bracket, it is a round bracket, or it is a square bracket, it always means multiplication. Bracket always means multiplication. So basically it's 2 multiplied by 3 raised to 6. So it's 3 upon 5 raised to 6. Now in the next step what I will be doing is I will say that this 6, which is the power, will become the power of this 3 as well as this 5. Let me do it very quickly. So is equal to this, I will copy as it is same, 3 raised to 3 upon 5 raised to 3. This same as it is divided, this will become 3 raised to 6 upon 5 raised to 6, everyone. Okay. Now, a very important thing which we all know, it's not something new I'm teaching you all with a red color pen. See here please. If somebody tells you A upon B divided by C upon D, if somebody says you something like this, then how to solve this symbol of division, or how to solve this division? We will copy the first fraction as it is same, A upon B. Instead of division, I'll write multiply. Listen very carefully. And whatever fraction or whatever thing we have just after the division, will reciprocate it and write C upon D, I'll write D upon C. Once again, listen to me. To convert division to multiplication, always whenever there is division, we convert it to multiplication, like this we do. We write instead of division, multiplication. First fraction A upon B is written same as A upon B only. We write multiplication, and the effect will be next wala jo bhi hoga ulta ho jayega. If I take a numerical example, 7 upon 3 divided by suppose 13 upon 15. So I'll write 7 upon 3 at the place of division. I'll write multiply. Instead of 13 upon 15, I'll write 15 upon 13. Understanding? So this is the case. Okay, come over here please. Everyone come over here. You all will do copy this in your notebooks, but in exam you no need to copy this. Okay, come over here, everyone over here. This I can write as, first I'll copy this as it is same, 3 raised to 3 upon 5 raised to 3. Instead of division, I'll write here multiplication. So now I will write this ulta. 3 raised to 6 upon 5 raised to 6 ka ulta will be 5 raised to 6 upon 3 raised to 6. Everyone. Okay, now it's pretty simple. How many times do I have 3 here? I have 3 times 3 because it's 3 into 3 into 3. And here I have 6 times 3. So this 3 times 3 gets cancelled. And here only 3 times 3 will be remaining. Here there are 6 times 3. So this 3 and times 3 and this 3 times 3 gets cancelled, and 3 times 3 is remaining. Here I have 3 times 5, 5 into 5 into 5. Here I have 6 times 5, 5 into 5 into 5, 5 into 5 into 5. So this 3 times 5 gets cancelled, and from here only 3 times 5 is remaining. So answer will be, here it is 5 raised to 3 upon this is 3 raised to 3, all of you. Okay, and we all know this 5 raised to 3 means what? 5 into 5 into 5. 5 5 are 25, 25 5 are it's 125, all of you, upon 3 raised to 3. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, please, all of you. So this is our answer, please. It's very simple. It was very simple, but two important concepts were there over here. Okay, one is of this, how to solve this division. Okay, another is this was the thing which we did many times, that how to do the cancellation work over here. Pause the video please and do it fast. Next question, students. Before starting this question, definitely I'll mark 3 stars over here. 3 stars means it's a good sum. It does not mean that it's complicated sum. Okay, now how to deal with this sum? First of all, the first step will be, will convert. Step number 1 will convert negative powers to positive. I can see only one negative power over here. Okay, second step will be will convert complex bases or complex numbers into simple ones. What do I mean by it? I'll explain you when I'll come to this step. Okay, the very first thing, whenever we have suppose a upon b the whole raised to minus 7, I need to convert this negative power into positive, so I'll just have to reciprocate it. I just have to write it b upon a the whole raised to 7. Very, very, very important, this note. If I have 7 upon 9 the whole raised to minus 13, this will be 9 upon 7 the whole raised to plus 13. Minus 13 gets converted to plus 13 if I do it ulta. 7 upon 9 ka I make it 9 upon 7. Come over here everyone. See this please. Is equal to, it's 4 upon 9 raised to minus 2. So can I write it as 9 upon 4 raised to plus 2? Okay. Then I'll copy everything same. Multiply by 7 upon 3 the whole raised to 3. Divided by 7 raised to 3 upon 6 raised to 3 the whole raised to 2. Okay. Next. Now, as I told you, the best way is to convert this complex bases into simple base. See here, which are the complex base over here? Pay attention here. This 4 can be written as 2 multiplied by 2, which can be written as 2 raised to 2 ka square. This 9 can be written as 3 into 3, which can be written as 3 ka square. This 6 can be written as 2 multiplied by 3. That's it. 7, we cannot expand it. So these numbers, this 4, 9 and 6 are called as complex base or complex numbers. And these over here are the simple ones. Okay. So 4 ko I'll write 2 ka square, 9 ko I'll write 3 ka square, and 6 ko I'll write 2 into 3. This is what I'm doing. I'm doing the second step to convert the complex numbers into simple ones. So see, now the sum becomes so simple. See here, all of you. This 9 ko I can write 3 ka square, 3 raised to 2. Upon 4 ko I'll write 2 ka square. The whole raised to 2. Multiply by this 7 as it is 7. This 3 as it is 3. It's already simple. Raised to 3 divided by 7 raised to 3 upon this 6. This 6 ko, listen very carefully, we already have a power raised to 3, but this 6 can be written as 2 multiplied by 3, and don't forget we have a power 3 over here, and the whole raised to power of 2. Very, very important question is this. Okay. Next, moving ahead, this 2 will become the power of this as well as this. This 3 will become the power of 7 as well as this 3. This 2 will become the power of this, and as well as it will come to this. So this will become 3. It's already we have 2. This 2, it's a bracket. Bracket means multiply. Here also it's a bracket, means multiply. So this 2 and this 2 gets multiplied. 2 2s are 4. This becomes 3 raised to 4. It's 2 over here, and this 2 and 2 gets multiplied. So 2 raised to 4. 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. Multiply as it is multiply. This 7, this 3 comes as the power of this 7 as well as this 3. 7 raised to 3 upon 3 raised to 3 divided by this 2 will become the power of this numerator as well as this denominator. But when it will come to the numerator, it gets multiplied with this 3. So 7, 2 3s are become 6 upon this will be 2 into 3. It's a 3. So 2 gets multiplied with this 3. It becomes 6 over here. Okay. Next step. This is 3 raised to 4 upon 2 raised to 4 multiplied by 7 raised to 3 upon 3 raised to 3. Pay attention. Very, very important step. See this. I'm marking a star. Instead of division, I'm writing here multiply. What rule I gave you all? If I have A upon B divided by C upon D, then I'll write A upon B. Instead of division, I'll write multiply. So this will become ulta. C upon D ka I will write D upon C. So similarly, instead of division, I am writing multiplication here. So I will write this ulta. This 2 into 3 raised to 6 will go in the numerator. 2 into 3, the whole raised to 6 will go in numerator. And the 7 raised to 6 will become in the denominator. Why I wrote at the place of division multiply. So this will become ulta. A upon B divided by C upon D we have. So A upon B we write A upon B only. Division ki jagah pe I write multiply. C upon D ka I can write ulta as D upon C, please. Everyone. Okay. Now in the next step, what I will be doing it, I'll send this 6. This will become the power of this 2 as well as this 3. Okay, this will be the change. All of you, let's do it. I don't have place over here. Pause the video, complete up till here. Do copy everything as a note in your notebook, whatever I have written on the right hand side over here. In exam, no need to write this. This is the pure solution, all of you. Pause the video, complete up till here. I'll continue on the next page. Okay, all of you, pay attention here. Is equal to this 3 raised to 4 as it is 3 raised to 4, 2 raised to 4 as it is 2 raised to 4, 7 raised to 3 as it is 7 raised to 3, 3 raised to 3 as it is 3 raised to 3, multiply as it is multiply. This 6 will become the power of 2 as well as 3. So 2 raised to 6 multiply by 3 raised to 6 the whole upon 7 raised to 6. Now the key step, all of you, all eyes over here please. Everyone please see here. Everyone please. So here we have 3 times 7, 7 into 7 into 7. Here we have 6 times 7. So this 3 times 7 goes off and only 3 times will be left over here. This is 2 raised to 4. This is 2 raised to 6. That means there are 4 times 2. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. There are 6 times 2. So this 4 times 2 goes off and only 2 times will be remaining. Here it is 3 times 3. 3 into 3 into 3. Okay. And here it is 4 times 3. Okay, 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So this 3 times 3 cancels out and only 1 time it will be remaining over here. I think so every number is cancelled now. We have 1 times 3 in the numerator. This totally cancelled. 2 times 2 we have. 6 times 3 we have here. And 3 times 7 we have here. So 3 raised to 1, which is 3 only. And here 2 raised to 2 into 3 raised to 6 I have here. Upon, this is 7 raised to 3, all of you over here. Students, now we just have to multiply. See this calculation please, everyone. This 3, it's 1 time and this is 6 times. So this can be written 3 raised to 7 multiply by 2 raised to 2. 2 raised to 2 is 4. 2 square is 4 and upon 7 raised to 3. So now let me solve it over here in the rough work. It's 3 raised to 7. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. And one more 3 is left over here. Multiply by 3. Okay. When you will do this, 27 27s are. 27 27s are, when you can do the calculation, it will be 27 27s are. It is 729 please, all of you. Okay. 729 and this multiplied by 3. 729 when it gets multiplied with 3, I'll get 2187. You can check the calculation afterwards. 2187. Okay. So 2187 is what? 3 raised to 7 ka answer. But don't forget that we have to multiply with 4. So now if I multiply this 4, 4 7s are 28, comes here 2. 8 4s are 32 plus 2. 34 comes here 3. 4 1s are 4, 5, 6, 7, 4 2s are 8. It comes to be 8748. When 3 raised to 7 is multiplied with 4, the answer is 8748. Okay. And about the denominator, in denominator I have 7 raised to 3, which is 7 into 7 into 7. 7 7s are 49 and 49 7s are, all of you, it comes to be 343 please. 343. So it's 343 everyone. So answer is, in the numerator answer is 8748 and denominator ka answer is 343 please, all of you. Okay, pause the video please. This was a rough work which you have to do it not at the end of your notebook, on the right hand side. In exam also you have to show this rough work please. Okay, this is not a part of the solution. It will not be given marks, but in exam also don't do at the end of the supplement. Do it on the right hand side of the page. Teacher do see it and teacher comes to know that how much effort you have taken it for this. Pause the video please and do it fast. Okay students, now the next question, very 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 important. Why? Because it looks scary. Concept is very simple. The first step you all know, that convert negative powers to positive. This is the first step. Okay, so let us continue with the first step, all of you over here, and let's solve it to some extent if we can. This is a bracket here, and bracket means multiplication. It's a bracket. Brackets means multiply, right? Brackets means multiply. So this becomes 3 2s are 6 basically. It's 2 upon 3. The whole raised to 3 2s are 6. So power will be 6. Multiply by. This is 1 upon 3. We all know this fact. I'm explaining you this fact on the right hand side with the example, that whenever we have a upon b the whole raised to, for example, minus m, it can be written as b upon a the whole raised to plus m. Minus m becomes plus m when fraction becomes ulta. Other words, it can be like this also. 7 upon 5 raised to 3. If you do 5 upon 7, it becomes minus 3. तो अगर फ्रैक्शन को उल्टा करेंगे तो द साइन ऑफ द पावर चेंजेस, प्लस का बिकम्स माइनस, माइनस का बिकम्स प्लस. हियर इट इज 1/3 बट साइन इज -4, सो इफ आई डू उल्टा दिस बिकम्स 3/1, it becomes +4, right? It becomes +4. Basically no need to write 1 in the denominator, okay, but then too I'm writing it just to explain you. Okay, multiplied by is 3 raised to -1. Okay, this 3 raised to -1. So it's like basically what we have done plenty of sums like this also. A raised to -3 I have. If I do it ulta, this becomes 1/a raised to +3. And understanding? If I have a b raised to plus m, if I do it ulta, 1/b raised to -m. So if I reciprocate any number, so its power का sign changes. -3 का becomes +3, plus m का becomes -m. So now if I reciprocate this -1 will become +1. Okay, so it's 3 raised to -1. So if I write 1/3, this -1 will become +1. No need to write +1. No even need to write 1 also. Okay, multiplied by 1/6, please, everyone. Okay, now see this, please. This 6 will become will go as a power of this 2 as well as this 3. 4 will go as a power of 3. 4 will of course go as a power of 1, but no need to write because 1 raised to 4, 1 raised to any number is 1 only. Okay, so this becomes 2 raised to 6. Okay, in the denominator I have 3 raised to 6 multiplied by 3 raised to 4. 1 raised to 4, no need to write, I'm not writing it. It's 1 1 1, I'm not writing it. Okay, this is 3 raised to 1, no need to write 1 actually, into 6. It's 6, so 6 ko I'll mark a star over here. 6 ko I'll write 2 into 3. 6 is a complex base. 6 is a complex base. So I'll write it in the simple form. I'll write it in the simple form. This is simple form. Simple form. 2 into 3. I wrote 6 as 2 into 3, please. Okay, all eyes over here. Now, how many times do I have 2 in the numerator? Only 6 times. 2 raised to 6. Multiply by 4 times 3. So 3 raised to 4. Upon how many times 3 we have in the denominator? Here I have 6 times. Here I have 1 time. 1 is not mentioned. Nothing is mentioned. It's 1 only. And here I have also 1 time. So powers will be added. Which rule? See here. A raised to m multiplied by a raised to n can be written as a raised to m plus n. When bases are same and we have multiplication sign, we just write 1 time the base a and power gets added. So here also the base is 3. Here also the base is 3. Here also the base is 3. So power will be added. So 6 plus 1 7, 7 plus 1 8. It becomes 3 raised to 8 multiply by and 1 time 2, 2 raised to 1. Okay, I'll proceed horizontally here. Now I don't have place, you all do vertically only. Now I have 1 time 2, here I have 6 times 2. So 1 time 2 gets cancelled, here 5 times 2 will be remaining because here it was 6 times 2. Here it was 1 time 2. So 1 time 2 gets cancelled, 5 times is remaining. Here I have 8 times 3. Here I have 4 times 3. So 4 times 3 gets cut off. Here only 4 times will be remaining. So here the answer we are left with, it's 2 raised to 5 upon 3 got cancelled. Here 3 raised to 4. That's it, everybody. Okay, so now this will be 2 raised to 5 means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 raised to 5 means it comes to 32. 3 raised to 4 means 4 times 3 gets multiplied. 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are 27. 27 3s are it's 81. So basically it is 32 upon 81, all of you. Whatever I wrote on the right hand side is not necessary in the examination, but you will do write in your notebook. It's for your explanation and this is the solution. Leave line between every step, please. Pause the video, please. Very important question and do it fast.